compensation claim was successful, so it was approved within a 6-week time frame, and that was due to the company immediately admitting fault to the incident. So they did in fact admit fault, because I had actually immediately gone to my GP within a week of the incident occurring. When the incident occurred on a Friday, I went into work on the Monday, had a breakdown, had a panic attack. That was the same day that I was given advice from someone close to me who said, go to the GP as soon as possible to then submit a workers' compensation claim. You're clearly traumatized and this is not okay, and you need to seek that help immediately. Because I did everything so quickly, I believe that is why my claim was approved very, very soon. Because when I was awaiting the claim to be approved, I actually was thinking, oh my gosh, this is taking so long. But when I actually spoke to I've spoken to a few people now who have been through the similar pathways, and one lady that I spoke to, her claim actually originally was rejected. She had to resubmit it to get it approved because the company that she was working for at the time denied anything happening. So it really depends on whether the company is going to either admit or deny that the incident has occurred, and that the employee is now facing a psychological injury. I didn't actually ever go back to the workplace. So I had an EAP program within this company, an employee assistance program. So they actually gave me, it was around 6 to 8 sessions of free counseling sessions that were included in their EAP. Actually, it was only 3 free sessions, but then my GP had asked the company to have more sessions because 3 sessions was not enough at all. Important to note as well that the EAPs are external third-party service providers, so everything that you share with the EAPs or the counsellors via the EAP is completely bound by privacy and confidentiality. So everything that you share within those calls and those video chats are completely private. As difficult as it can be, especially, you know, with having even less of a lack of emotional capacity or mental capacity, I was just so grateful that I had someone very close to me who could give me that guidance immediately and just basically directed me to, you know, just be like, go to the GP, get them to submit the workers' compensation claim, and then, you know, go from there. And at least that is started, at least that is actually some sort of leeway forward for you to get the help that you need.